Fish on, baby.
There's a slick to the right of them too. They've been in here a while.
Good. Early morning, Texas City. Me and Live Action Jackson. Fix to make it happen.
Making and breaking stuff.
That's it. This morning, we had a...
Hey, go to the left because they're moving upwind.
I had a broken trailer this morning, and that didn't stop me and Live Action from getting out in the water. I'll worry about that trailer later. I'm not going to be bummed all day, so not going to be bummed all day. Bump the motor again a little bit. Let's give me a little boost. Yeah, I'm ready now if you want to give me a little bit. Looks like they're, oh, isolated right there. Here we go.
I'm going to stay the left a little bit so we get one.
Yeah. We in them already? Oh.
I think it's a hard hit.
Oh, fish on. There we go. Oh, he's at, yeah. Oh, are you serious? All right, here we go. There you go, there you go. Oh, hit.
Oh, that's a sandy. Sandy, live well?
Yeah, yeah. There we go. Fish on.
In the live well?
And you can put them in the live well, oh.
He's not keeping.
There you go. Yeah, and you can do the back live well.
That's what we'll do.
All right. Got one on the boat, but he's too small. Right there. All right. Yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, that sucker's on there now. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Right to your left, brother.
Yeah. I think you got a slime ball.
Probably. We'll see. Ooh, don't get near that trolling motor. Let's see what we got. Tighten up my drag. Yep. Oh, Gaffy. Oh, Gaffy. All right. Well.
I got one.
All right.
Slime ball. Oh, that's a better trout.
Maybe we found him. There we go. Oh, he took it, didn't want to. There we go, I got something. About time. Oh, he let it spit it out.
Got him. Oh.
That was awesome, bro. I hope I got that on camera.
I got him.
I did that.
Got a little bit of luck today.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Gotta get some kind of laugh, huh?
Oh, they're there. They're right there, dude.
All right, so we're getting up on some birds again. We only got one little sand trout keeper, and we're gonna see about. We're gonna see if we can get a hold of some more fish.
Look at this shrimp coming out of the water.
Yeah. Come on, Dirty Bay Shrimp. Bring on me a fish. There you go, live action on it. Hell yeah.
Come on, don't be a slime ball. Trout, stay. Oh, a little better. Getting a little better.
There we go. Oh, come on now, take it. They're small though still.
Got another one. Oh my God, that thing's strong. That's gotta be a slime ball.
That's good.
Fish are strong.
I'm gonna have to bust me out a spoon. There you go.
Get up here, slime ball.
I don't know what you got.
Slime ball.
Is it? Ah.
I got something for you, buddy.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go. Finally.
Slime ball.
Probably.
No, little Sandy. Little Sandy. Fish tacos.
I don't know how you even put that in his
Tacos,
mouth.
man. Throw him in the boat now. I'll take him back. Stay on that trolling motor. I got him. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. I got him. I got him.
Oh, yes! Freaking live action, baby. Live action. Oh, look at him getting a shark on there. I'm on one too.
I told you, man. Come here, buddy.
I'm on one too.
Oh, look at them teepees. Look at them.
Oh, hell yeah. Just remember cast sideways. You got those rods. There you go.
Oh my God, look at him. You believe I hit that spoon?
Little Sandy.
Hey, tacos.
I wasn't gonna let today screw me over having the trailer issue, so we gonna have some fun.
Look over here. Oh my God, we're drifting. We're right on top of them, dog.
I'm gonna go forward a little bit now.
We're good, man.
Oh, fish on. Okay, maybe I'll do spotlight.
That's a better fish. Come on, be a Sandy. He's a little
Don't spit it out. I want it to.
trout. Little trout.
Yeah, he's small.
Pretty though.
Hey, it counted. It was in the boat. All right, speckled trout on my lure. Ready? Ready? Your turn? My turn. My turn. Ready? Come on.
Oh, you
No, keep it back in the water. No, I'll just play. Ooh. Look.
Ooh, that's a Sandy.
Yeah.
I'll fillet his little ass.
Come on, take it, guys. There we go. Ah. Oh, here we go. We go right at the boat. Oh, he just spit it out. Go about 10 o'clock. Right there. Perfect. See? Oh. Double hook up. Ready?
I got one. Dude, something swirled at my line. Did you see that? They're right there.
There we go. There we go. There we go. That was good. He's small, but hey, he's a little fighter though. You can tell it's a speck or a sandy the way there's. Yeah. Hey, look at that.
Oh, that's heck yeah, live well.
All right, guys.
Big sand.
That's good. That's fish tacos, guys. Little sand trout. There we go. Come on, double hook up.
Spit it out, that's all right.
There we go. Got one. There we go. Go ahead. To your left. I'll reel it in to your left. Come on up. There we go.
I got one.
That's some teamwork, baby. Yours probably bigger than mine.
No, he's little.
Mine's little too.
I lost you.
Oh, did you? Is this the size you want?
Heck yeah.
All right. So we're up on a school of sand trout.
Remember them rods behind you?
Yeah, they're not the biggest. They're not the biggest of sand trout, but they're fun to catch. And you cook them fresh. Have some great little fish tacos. I just had a hit as soon as it hit the water. I know the wind's probably, my mic's probably jacked up from the wind. It's kind of windy today, but there you go. Live action, bringing in another little sandy. Another little sandy. Here in a little while, we'll be heading to the jetties, try to catch some black tip, maybe some bull reds. Come on, take it, baby, take it. There we go. There we go. Shake it, baby, shake it. Yeah, I was bringing it in when he took it. That's a little.
That's a speck.
Yeah. Small little speckled trout, huh?
Oh, I missed him.
That small little speck, but hey.
I feel like a little better fish.
We're ready to find some bigger fish, but I'm not going to pass up the opportunity for the good old thump on my line. So we're going to stay here and have some fun as long as we can. Oh, dang, we're still on them back here in the back, bro.
Oh, I know they're back here.
Take it, come on, take it. There we go. I don't know if he took it or not. Yeah, fixing to go right on it. All right, so me and live action, seeing this slick right here. I had to change batteries on my GoPro. I don't know how many fish we hung up on, but a bunch of sandies. Hopefully we get some specks in this deal here. See what happens, guys. Well, I'm in that slick. Here we go. I'm in that slick now. Come on, baby, hit it.
Sandy?
That's a bigger one.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Fish on right there, pulling it in. Right at the boat, right at the boat.
Right on top of him, trying to go.
Little speck.
Yeah.
Oh, he spit me out.
I didn't count.
It did. It was in my hands. It counted. There we go. We might be on the specks this time.
Yeah, this one was, like I said, 14.
Yeah. He's small, but that's all right. See ya, sucker. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we're on the speckled trout now. Finally. He's small, but it's all right.
Hit it on the fall, hit it on the fall. Coming over you, line down.
I'm going faster.
I got it. Good deal.
Yeah. There we go. So, hey, the other side over here. There we go. Hey, I don't care if they're keepers or not. This is fun. Oh, you know what? I might measure this bad boy. $14.